Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of luxurious fashion with a focus on a truly stunning garment, the kaftan dress. Kaftans are known for their elegance, opulence, and incredible comfort, making them a perfect choice for women who love to feel confident and stylish. In this video, we'll be showcasing some of the hottest trending kaftan freestyles that are taking the fashion world by storm. We'll explore a variety of designs, from bold prints and vibrant colors to flowy silhouettes and luxurious fabrics. You'll discover how kaftans can be the perfect outfit for any occasion, whether you're attending a special event, jetting off on a glamorous vacation, or simply want to feel chic and comfortable for a day out. We'll also be sharing some expert tips on choosing the perfect kaftan for your body type and personal style. So, get ready to be inspired by some of the most stunning kaftans on the market. Throughout the video, we'll be highlighting different kaftan styles, so keep an eye out for something that catches your eye. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which kaftan style is your favorite. Before we jump in, if you're new to the channel and love getting fashion inspiration, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. Now, let's get started and explore the world of luxurious kaftans.